Hello everybody, thank you so much for joining us today. So we're focusing on autumn. Now the best thing about autumn wreaths is they fully embrace the season. So take advantage of the natural landscape, capturing the warmth and character of using this really rich colour palette. It's such a fantastic colour scheme to work with, embracing yellows into golds, into oranges, reds, those really fiery sunset colours. You have a wide variety of textures available to you, so berries, forage foliage. I mean, the possibilities are endless. So enjoy this season, and we're going to show you today how to make a wreath using one of our own DIY kits. Now this is an autumn wreath with fresh flowers. The kit also contains, alongside the fabulous selection of autumn flowers, it contains a wet foam ring which you can then either use to put on your door or actually even bring it indoors. Put a storm lantern in the middle with a candle in. It also looks really good with a punch bowl in the centre, perhaps containing some lovely fruits if you've got people coming for dinner, or even if you do want to go down the punch route, perhaps some Pimm's or something in there. So yeah, such an adaptable arrangement this is. So get creative this autumn and make a wreath for your door or your friends, or perhaps bring friends over and all have a go at making one yourselves. Then you've got something fantastic to take home at the end of the evening. Anyway, enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed today's demonstration and I hope it's inspired you to have a go at creating this for yourselves. So you can find all of our DIY kits on our website, which is www.trianglenursery.co.uk, and we have both fresh products and dried kits for you to have a go at. And as always, I have some top tips for you. So number one, don't over soak your wet foam frame because they become really brittle and they kind of disintegrate very quickly if they're over soaked. And top tip number two, when you're going to rehydrate the wreath, just remove it from its position, pop it on a draining board or perhaps outside on the patio, give it a good soak, wait until it's drained and then reposition it. And then top tip number three, usually I would anticipate that hydrangea would dry in its situ. So if you've got the wreath positioned somewhere that's nice and dry and got a fairly good heat source, then it will dry as it is. So then you have a slightly more permanent design. All right, thanks again. I hope you've enjoyed today. Don't forget to like us, share us, and comment your feedback in the box below. We love to hear what you think. I look forward to seeing you again very soon. But for now, it's goodbye. Bye.